lights that we use now are similar to the bulb you would find in a car, like in a blinker light in the side of your car.
Really? They're not
very
small?
big. Yeah, they're not very big at all.
Wow, that's remarkable.
Yeah, and it can be seen for 15 miles.
Man, so that's all an attribute to the lenses then, who are able to
the
project.
lens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whew, man.
Yeah. Now, older lenses use bigger bulbs. Like the really old Fresnel lenses would use a bulb like imagine like a regular light bulb that you would put in your ceiling, about twice as big. So it's still not huge.
Right.
But,
yeah. Yeah, that has a bit more flair to it. But yeah, I don't know why. I would imagine it's like a bulb the size of your head or something, you know?
Well, I think a lot of people think, like, because it has to create such a beam of light, they think those giant stage lights, like at premieres and whatnot, and they have those giant spotlight things with huge bulbs, like really heavy duty, super hot bulbs and whatnot in them. It's a different type of light, and because it's focused differently than those, the bulb itself doesn't need to be so huge.
Right.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. Alright, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.